To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Onomatopoeia. In this video, we will learn about onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is a word that sounds like what it describes. It's a language technique used to make writing more interesting and helps the reader to hear the sounds in their minds. For example, the water went splash when I jumped into it. The emphasis is on the sound the water makes. Splash. This is the onomatopoeia. The lion roared loudly. The onomatopoeia is roared. This emphasizes the sound the lion makes. Another example is, the balloon popped. The onomatopoeia in this sentence emphasizes the sound the balloon makes.